tomorrow, Swift 16. And the race is on. Final countdown. Fast to begin. Delgado is running in second. It's final countdown. Delgado rushing up by the piece of My Wish Tobacco. Diamond Luster on the outside. RGA Bebot, the goose favorite, alongside his Soul Invictus second last. And entry number 3 is running at the tail of the field, and this one's Mountain Cat. Final countdown by about 2 lengths, followed by Fish of My Wish in second. Delgado racing in third, running in fourth is Tobacco. Rushing up on the outside is Diamond Luster, the goose favorite, Bebot, RGA, and the favorite still second last, Soul Invictus and Mountain Cat. At the final countdown by about 4 lengths, followed by Piece of My Wish in second. And on the outside is Delgado, rushing up is Tobacco in between runners. Final countdown, Tobacco, Piece of My Wish, Dugo's favorite on the outside, and Bebot. It's Tobacco, Dugo's favorite is on the outside, and RGA, and finally Dugo's favorite second, close RGA, Mountain Cat, Bebot, final countdown, and Soul Invictus.
Mukhang dihado pa po.